Hello, friend. Now let's start a new topic. What is negative ledger? This is a list of ledger accounts balance that is opposite to the nature of the account. For example, a creditor account with a debit balance and a bank account with a credit balance. Now, why is my ledger balance negative? A negative cash balance results when the cash account in a company's general ledger has a credit balance. Now, the credit or negative balance in the checking account is usually caused by a company writing checks for more than it has in its checking account. Now, another question is, can I transfer ledger balance? It is possible to withdraw funds from your ledger balance. Although you should first check your available balance to see if the funds are actually present. Now, the reason for this is that your available balance is updated much more frequently than your ledger balance. Now, why is my ledger balance higher than my available balance? The available balance for your account may differ from the current balance because of pending transactions that have been presented against the account but have not yet been processed. Now, the available balance also includes credit available if you have a line of credit linked to your checking account. Now, another question is, what is general ledger in banking? A general ledger or GL is a means for keeping record of a company's total financial accounts. Accounts typically recorded in a general ledger include assets, liabilities, equity, expenses, and income or revenue. Now, periodically, all transactions made within a company are posted to the general ledger. What does minus ledger balance mean? The ledger balance and available balance are terms used by a bank for the cash position of a checking account. Now, the ledger balance minus any checks deposited but not yet made available for the use of the account holder, as well as other credits that have not yet been posted to the account, is a ledger balance bad. Thus, you should pay more attention to the ledger balance when determining whether you have enough money to make a withdrawal. Your available balance includes credits or debits from transactions. that have not yet posted to your account, such as deposits or withdrawals you made in the last 24 hours. What is ledger account in simple words? An accounting ledger is an account or record used to store bookkeeping entries for balance sheet and income statement transactions. Accounting ledger journal entries can include accounts like cash accounts, receivable, investments, inventory accounts, payable, accrued expenses, and customer deposits. What is ledger balance? Example. For example, your current ledger balance is $100. Today's credits total $25. You deposited $25 cash at your local branch, and today's debits total $10. You withdraw $10 at an ATM. Your available balance would be $115. Note, other transactions may be credited or debited to your account throughout the day. Now, how can I take ledger balance from ATM? Number 1, take the opening balance of the day. This is your ledger balance at the start of the day. Number 2, add all the credits made to the account. Number 3, subtract all the debits made from the account. Number 4, the final balance is your ledger balance. What is average ledger balance? The sum of each business day's ledger balance after debits and credits have posted divided by the number of days in the statement period.